These are the best gluten-free chocolate chip toffee cookies you have ever had. They're chewy on the inside, crispy on the outside, and layers with tons of amazing brown butter flavor. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and believe me, I know when somebody says something is the best ever, that's a really tall order and it better deliver. And believe me, this recipe delivers in a very big way. What makes these gluten-free chocolate chip toffee cookies so incredible is how we layer the flavors by browning the butter. 2 kinds of chocolate chips, real toffee, and just enough salt to balance out the sweetness. If you've cooked with me before, you know the drill. That's right, go ahead and get out all your ingredients. Now, I have tried so many different gluten-free flours, and I have to say, cup for cup is by far the best by a very wide margin. I use it for all of my baking, and I have to say, it's excellent. Okay, so come on over here, follow me. We are going to start off by browning our butter. We have 8 ounces of butter. And we're gonna brown this over a medium-high heat, and you're gonna watch it because it can burn very easily. While the butter is browning, sift together 1 3/4 cup for cup gluten-free flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 1/2 teaspoons coarse kosher salt. Now that our butter has cooled just a little bit, I want you to see something. We're gonna add our brown sugar, but before we do that, take a look at all these brown specks. That, my friend, is pure flavor. Once the butter and brown sugar are well combined, stir in 2 eggs, 1 at a time. Really make sure the first one is mixed in completely before you add the second one. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, start incorporating the flour mixture in 2 or 3 batches. Finally, gently fold in a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and a 1/2 cup dark chocolate chips and 2 chopped Heath bars. Remember, 1 of the chopped Heath bars is for the cookie topping. Now for the fun part. Well, I guess the fun part is actually eating them. But go ahead and use your disher and scoop them out onto a silicone-lined or a parchment-lined baking sheet. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Gently flatten out the balls of dough and top with a little chopped toffee and a little large flake sea salt like Maldon. These go into the oven for about 12 minutes. Take them out when the edges are golden brown and let them rest on a baking sheet for at least 5 minutes. This allows the cookies to firm up so they don't tear apart. Thanks for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. Please take a minute, subscribe, like. I cannot wait for you to try these cookies. And if you do, please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Oh, by the way, a special shout out and thank you to Emily over at our hometown coffee shop, Joe Sippers, here in Effingham. She gave me the recipe for the regular flour cookie recipe, and that is what inspired this gluten-free version. So thank you, Emily. Oh, so good. Chewy on the inside, little crispy. That brown butter really comes through. You are gonna love these. Thanks again, guys. Bye-bye. I am seriously gonna eat this whole plate. Don't judge.